In Germany, obviously, there is not much new stock around. There is a development pipeline. Some parties are developing new student homes, but there's not so much stock. So we decided to build up a portfolio. We decided to buy existing student homes, to buy hotels, which we convert, and to buy offices, for example. And that's alongside our new build development pipeline, or we are also buying new build. So in our portfolio, we have about 50% of existing refurbished assets and 50% of new assets. And we think that's very important in Germany, that you have that mixture also in terms of rents. So we are starting at 300 euros, our rents, they're going up to 550, 600 euros. So we are covering a huge part of the market. And I think in Germany that's quite important.
Yep. Just to add something on the French market, there is no existing stocks as well on the French market, like block residence. You can buy one residence. So we are always looking at new plot of land, new development, or even transforming offices into student housing. We did it twice in Paris, for example. And it's always complicated, but you cannot buy a portfolio like in 2 days because it's already existing in France. So it's not in the culture. And I just wanted to add one thing about the UK market, which is 10 years ahead. I think one of the issue there is that the universities, the schools are acting like institutions. I mean, in France, we are just at the very, very, very beginning as a private company, private manager of student housing, starting talking with universities, with engineering schools, business schools. It's easier with private schools, of course, but we just to try to sign a lease with them, a 3-year lease, for example, at the beginning. So we did it for the first time last year in Paris, in a residence in Paris with a foreign university, not a French one, but we try to explain, to teach, I would say, the university that that's a model we can see in the UK with long-term lease, and that could participate to the resilience of this kind of business as well, to explain to our investors, okay, it's not only renting unit by unit, which is complicated, but still it's very easy in Paris, I would say. But it's trying to get new type of client which are very close to the client we have on the office market. For example, when you speak with one big corporate, okay, so you have La Sorbonne in front of you, 30,000 students in Paris. Okay, we can deal from between two institutions, but that's a move that's a lack in France, and that's a move we have to make to develop, maybe for institutional investor this business in France.